What's up, stock? Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman, a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. Wait, what's that? Is that a juicer getting fired up? That's right. Today we're tackling green juice, a classic of the wellness movement. But should you be juicing regularly, or is green juice not as great as it might seem? Also, what's the deal with celery juice? Let's get juicy. Green juice comes from green veggies like kale, spinach, celery, and cucumber. The green color in the green juice is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll? More like borophyll. Yep, that's the same stuff that plants use during photosynthesis to obtain energy from sunlight. Plants. First off, if your green juice tastes too good to be true, it probably is. If there are sneaky sources of added sugar coming from fruit juice or fruit concentrate, be like Ariana Grande and say, thank you, next. Those add-ins will put a dent in the health value of your green juice. Which isn't to say that you shouldn't have fruit at all. If you're making your juice at home, you want a ratio of 2:1 for the perfect veggie to fruit ratio. Say 2 cups of spinach to 1 cup of berries. If you're buying juice instead of making it, read the label. Keep an eye out for added sugar in the ingredients and pay attention to serving size. You got this. Generally speaking, not really. A juice alone isn't nutritionally considered a balanced meal. Hey you, this is not a meal. Juice has vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants coming from the fruits and veggies. I can see the phytochemicals right now. Look at those antioxidants, they're so potent. But they're low in the essential building blocks for the bod, like protein and fat. And oh snap, juicing removes a very valuable component to any meal, fiber. Where's all the fiber? Not in there. Plus, chewing food prompts your brain to release feel-good hormones. So, don't go overboard into a liquid abyss. It's important to consume solid and balanced meals throughout the day. Or if you're the juicing type, I would either recommend supplementing your breakfast or lunch with a juice, or juicing in between meals, rather than cutting a meal out completely. Just remember, juice responsibly, my friends. Getting juicy with it, na 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 na. Celery has been around for evs, but is finally having its moment. You have no idea how trendy you are. You have no idea. But more research is needed specifically in humans before we jump on the celery bandwagon. Healthy compounds and polyphenols found in the celery plant, such as luteolins, tannins, and saponins, have the potential to naturally treat a wide variety of ailments. Celery, your stock is rising! What makes celery a little bit different than the average green juice ingredient is that celery extract coming from the leaves and the stalk contain a wide variety of phytonutrients and healthy antioxidant compounds. Hey, bada 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 bada, wee! By juicing both of these amazing components, you're able to cast a wider nutritional net. But guess what? You can just as easily chomp down on some crunchy celery and still obtain the benefits of feeling less bloated and more energized. Plus, eating celery gets you some crunchy, gut-friendly fiber, which helps you feel fuller longer. Has NASDAQ got a hold of this stock? Thank you. Green juice gets you all different kinds of awesome vitamins and minerals and other goodness coming from fruits and veggies. Just watch for added sugar and make sure to chew at least some of your nutrition. As for celery juice, this is definitely a food trend worth stalking. Get it? Get it? See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. Remember, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. Subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel like ASAP. Oh.
Yeah, I'm going.
How does it? that is hydrating. Like, that is some hydrating stuff.